Hey guys, Tony D'Alessio here with Farmers Insurance.
And Lakin Erickson with Land Title.
We are here on behalf of PPAR Community Relations to talk to you about the JA BowlAthon that we have coming up on February 22nd.
It's a Friday night, right?
It is a Friday night. Perfect. So that's going to be up at the summit on InterQuest. We have already reserved 36 lanes, so we're going to try to fill 36 teams. It's going to be a $100 registration fee, and then an additional $500 fundraised by the teams. So a total of $600 is what we're looking for. We're trying to make a really big splash for JA, which serves all of southern Colorado. With your registration, you're going to get 2 games of bowling, you're going to get shoe rental, you're going to get Pepsi product.
But the bar will be open.
The bar is going to be open. I'm going to need that in the bumpers and maybe the little slide thing that you can roll the ball down so I don't have to actually bend over and do anything physical because my costume is going to make it tough, which brings us to our theme, which is Saturday Night Live. So we're going to dress up as your favorite Saturday Night Live character. We've got 40 years of context, so I mean, I think it's going to leave it wide open for people to dress up. I'm already trying to call dibs on Hans and Franz. As you can see, I'm already ready for that, but I will be there to help pump you up and bowl a little bit better. So please go ahead and see the registration link in the email below and sign up right away. We want this event to fill up quickly so we can help all the kids here in southern Colorado.
What's the date again?
It's going to be February 22nd, and the time?
3 to 5.
3 to 5. See you guys there.